Want to learn some simple tricks that will take your food pics up a notch using just your phone? In this video, I will show you 6 simple tricks on how to transform this to this, or this to this. Number 1. Wipe the lens. Yes, you heard me right. Most people do not realize how dirty and greasy your lens becomes when exposed to your fingers, whether it's contact with your face or your surroundings. This makes pictures come out blurry and no amount of editing can make them right. Number 2. Key elements. They say you eat any food with your eyes first. What that means is before you start clicking, you need to keep in mind what elements of the food you want to highlight. Is it the char on your meat? Or the melted cheese on your nachos? Or is it the dripping condensation on the side of your drink? All these elements bring a new dimension to your pictures, almost 3D-like. So zoom or get closer to the food to bring this element out. Number 3. Companion items. Along with the food, try to include the things that accompany it in a subtle way. For example, people in a party, a wine that pairs well with it, the pot you just cooked the dish in, or perhaps the hot sauce that goes with the tacos. These companions make your picture relatable and invites the viewer into the ambience the food is sitting in, whether it's your family dining table or the backdrop of the vineyard you're enjoying your food in. Number 4. The picture settings. Is it gonna be portrait, landscape, square, or any other aspect ratio? This totally depends on what you're trying to post or where you're trying to post. Different social media outlets have different standard sizes for the pictures. Try to match them to yield the best results. Number 5. Surface. Pick the most appropriate surface on which you'll be placing your plate on, or perhaps you'll be holding it in the air. Whatever you do, make sure you do not have any clutter around or items that are not related to what you're trying to show. The best pictures come out when you're placing it on a surface that has a nice contrast with the food, where you can actually clearly see the food and your food is not getting camouflaged by all the patterns on the surface. Number 6. Lighting, shadow, reflections. The brighter it is, the better your pictures are going to be. Even with the best night mode features in cameras, pics turn out the best during the day, especially when the sun's out. Make sure there are no shadows of your hand or your phone in the picture. And please, no reflections of yourself. So that's it, guys. I hope these simple tricks help you improve your casual food photography skills by making just a few changes to how you take pictures. Now just prepare to get used to getting more of those likes on your food pics. Please don't forget to smash that like button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I come up with more useful content.